Crypto has been one of the most controversial investments of the past decade. Some investors believe it's the future of finance, while others see it as pure speculation. In today's video, we're answering a critical question: is crypto still a good investment in 2025? By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the opportunities, the risks, and whether it deserves a place in your portfolio today. To understand crypto in 2025, we need to quickly look at where we came from. Bitcoin launched in 2009 as a decentralized alternative to traditional money. By 2017, it had entered mainstream awareness. The 2020-2021 bull run saw unprecedented growth, attracting institutions and retail investors alike. The years after showed both massive corrections and a wave of new regulation. Question for you: when did you first hear about or invest in crypto? Share your journey in the comments. It helps show how far this industry has come. There are several reasons why crypto may still be a strong investment opportunity in 2025. 1. Institutional adoption. Major banks, asset managers, and pension funds now include crypto or crypto-related ETFs. This level of adoption adds legitimacy. 2. Blockchain use cases. Beyond currencies, blockchain powers smart contracts, decentralized finance, NFTs with real utility, and even supply chain solutions. 3. Scarcity and supply dynamics. Bitcoin's capped supply of 21 million coins makes it a unique hedge against inflation. Halving events continue to influence price cycles. 4. Global reach. In countries with unstable currencies, crypto remains a lifeline for financial access. Engagement check. Do you believe Bitcoin will eventually be seen as digital gold, or is that an exaggeration? Comment below. I'd love to know your perspective. However, crypto is far from a guaranteed path to profits. 1. Volatility. Crypto markets remain unpredictable, with swings of 10% or more happening within a day. 2. Regulatory uncertainty. While some governments embrace crypto, others restrict or heavily regulate it, impacting adoption. 3. Security risks. Despite blockchain security, exchange hacks, scams, and rug pulls remain threats for investors. 4. Competition. Thousands of coins exist, but only a handful have long-term utility. Many projects may disappear. Question for the community: have you personally experienced a major loss in crypto, and if so, what lesson did it teach you? Sharing these experiences helps others avoid the same mistakes. So where does that leave us in 2025? For long-term investors, crypto can still serve as a diversification tool, much like gold or commodities. A small allocation such as 1-5% of a portfolio can offer exposure without overwhelming risk. For risk-tolerant investors, those comfortable with volatility and long holding periods may find opportunities in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or select projects with strong fundamentals. For conservative investors, crypto may not be suitable if capital preservation is the top priority. Ultimately, the right approach is to align crypto exposure with your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Engagement check. How much of your portfolio, in percentage terms, do you currently allocate to crypto? Let me know in the comments. Looking ahead, several trends will shape crypto's future. Bitcoin ETFs may bring more stability as traditional investors gain access. Ethereum and competitors continue to expand real-world applications. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, could redefine how governments interact with blockchain. Meme coins and speculation will likely remain, but with less dominance as regulation grows. The industry is maturing. Crypto is no longer just about chasing quick profits, it's becoming part of the broader financial system. Question for you: do you think crypto will become boring, like bonds or gold, in the next decade? Or will it always remain high risk and high reward? Share your view. So, is crypto a good investment in 2025? The answer depends on your goals. For diversification and exposure to innovation, it still holds value. For those seeking stability and guaranteed returns, it may not be the best fit. The key is not to ignore it completely, but also not to overcommit. Balance, research, and patience remain essential. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Do you believe crypto is still worth holding in 2025? Which coin or project do you trust most for the future? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading and responding. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others interested in investing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.